Storefront stalking is a mediocre sourcing method. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I have a love-hate relationship with the sourcing method that we call storefront stalking. Now, what I said to open up this video is not what I think. It's something that I've seen coming up on Twitter lately. And in this video, I want to make a case for storefront stalking and give my arguments on why I believe storefront stalking should actually belong in your strategy. And like, I'm not biased because, I don't really care. I've talked badly about storefronts. And you could actually say that I am biased because, of course, I developed Arbitrage Stalker, which is a software that helps with storefront stalking by not by doing the regular method of storefront stalking, but like you guys know, and I'm not even pushing it that much. You guys know, like I haven't talked about it. Like I'm pretty sure that like hundreds of people that subscribe to this channel do not even know that I'm actually selling a software because I'm not even pushing it that much. It's not really. I'm not in full guru mode just yet. You never know. You never know. Maybe I want to go all in with the guru stuff and sell my software self-course and all that stuff and make my money this way. But no, I'm still a full-time Amazon seller, and it is still like what I earn with this YouTube channel and everything that is around it is still peanuts. At the end of the day, I have 3,000 subscribers. Okay, it's not like I have like 50,000 subscribers and that I have a ton of people to sell stuff to. So what I earn with this is still peanuts. So I don't really think that I am biased. But yeah, as I said, what I'm going to do is I'm going to react to one specific tweet that I saw, and I'm going to explain to you the context and why they're saying that and why I'm actually making a case for storefront stalking. All right, so before we get into all that, if you do not know me, my name is Chris Mangunza. I release daily videos right there on YouTube for free to help you with Amazon FBA, okay? Because yes, I'm actually developing products for Amazon FBA, and this is one thing that I want to go deeper in. But as of today, and of course, like if I teach you that stuff, there's a better chance that you actually get my product. However, as of today, I'm still a full-time Amazon seller. And as I said, what I earn with all these things is peanuts compared to what I earn with Amazon, right? So let me go back here. Here we go. So yeah, so subscribe and do all that YouTube stuff, by the way, And if you are new here, there's no edits on my video, and yes, I have this camera that tracks my face. A lot of you guys actually like it, but that's pretty much it. All right, so pretty much there's that girl on Twitter. She's a mom. I don't know a lot because once again, I do not really hang out in the community with all that stuff. I find it a little bit corny if you're being 100% honest. All that. How do I put this? Because I'm trying to be a little bit more PG-13 on my videos. I'm trying to find a way to say it without, because usually the way I qualified it in the past was everybody's sucking everybody's dick in the community, right? I'm sorry, I don't know. I can put this more lightly. I have no idea, but yeah. So I don't really hang out too much in the community. I find it corny and all that stuff. But yeah, so pretty much, so there's that girl, she's a mom, and she's been scaling her Amazon business super high, okay, super high. So from what I've seen, okay, I don't know how true it is, and like, according to some people on Twitter, there's one guy that exposed a lot of people on Twitter, a lot of gurus on Twitter, a lot of the Twitter gurus. So it's super interesting to see that, as I've been saying, a lot of these guys are full of shit, but whatever. I don't know if she's full of shit or not. I really have no idea. But she's been scaling her business super fast, right? And now she actually wants to release a course, okay? And so there's one guy that actually retweeted that tweet, and I'm not going to say names because like I'm not here to promote stuff and I'm not here to promote it anymore because I think that the whole Twitter thing is actually super toxic, but whatever. And so no shades to the guy that actually commented this as well, because I believe that, if there's gurus that are full of shit, you should call them out, But, so he said, if you'll see a storefront stalking video, please refund that shit ASAP. It's 2024. There should be no reason these gurus should be teaching mediocre tactics, all right? So, talking about the fact that, so pretty much, I'm trying to condense the arguments. Like, pretty much, in 2024, storefront stalking is a mediocre sourcing strategy, all right, which then you should not actually do, and so you should not actually teach newbies. No. As I said, you know that I've talked a lot of shit about storefront stalking, and I really have a love-hate, I really had a love-hate relationship with storefront stalking. In my early days of online arbitrage, and this is why, this is also why I've been saying, because yeah, let me finish on this point. In my early days of online arbitrage, I was not doing any storefront stalking because I believed, as this guy said, that storefront stalking is actually mediocre. Okay, it's actually a trash ass sourcing method for a lot of reasons, and you can actually see my early videos on this channel talking about that. But really, to be honest, if you really want to see the whole thing, watch all my videos and you'll see all my what is it called? Oh, my personal strategy has evolved, right? So, and I just looked at my phone because like my virtual mailbox been charging me. I just received the notification like they've been charging me. So you know I've been pushing iPostal. I think there's something fishy with iPostal with the number of transactions that I receive from iPostal. So whatever. But yeah. So because I feel like I pay way too much in storage. Like I receive too many transactions. This is actually weird, but whatever. So what I'm trying to say is, yes, my view on storefront stalking has evolved. At the beginning, I was actually saying that it was a mediocre storefront, that it was actually a mediocre sourcing strategy. However, as time passed, and as I actually started to understand the point, the reason why you should do storefront stalking, I realized that it's actually something that is quite important. And I'm going to tell you why. And it's going to be a rhetorical question, okay? And this is my whole argument. My whole argument is going to be based on this rhetorical question, which is, do you really, really believe that it is a bad thing to be aware of what your competition, like people that are doing the exact same business model as you, people that are sourcing from the same place as you are? Do you really believe that it's a bad idea to get an idea of what products they are selling? Do you really think that it's a mediocre strategy to be acquainted, to be at least acquainted with what they are selling? Do you really think that it's a bad strategy to be acquainted with what people are selling, what type of products people are selling, all that stuff? Do you really believe that? And this is my whole point, okay? You should, even if you're not buying these products, it's never going to be a bad idea to get an idea of what other people in the space are actually doing. And it's true for every single business. If you own a grocery store, okay, let's say that, you know, a small mom and pop's grocery store, you want to get an idea of what the other store on the block is actually selling, okay, and what they are actually moving. Because if you can offer the same thing at the same price, you can get some of the traffic. If you can get it at a better price, you can get way more traffic and like take some part of that stuff, you know. So there's no business where, like, same thing, like let's say that you have a car window tinting business, right? You want to know what service they offer in addition to to window tinting, right? To tinting windows, because you can potentially offer the same thing to your clients. If it actually interests their clients, it may interest your clients. So I don't see any business where getting an idea of the products or service that your competition is selling is actually a mediocre strategy, right? Trying to understand what they sell. I don't see any business where it could be mediocre to actually do that. It's actually important, right? Because you can get an idea. And as I've been saying over and over again, storefront stalking is going to build your eye and build your experience. Even when you do other sourcing method, when you do storefront, like sometimes you're going to find products, you're going to do manual sourcing, and you're going to look at products doing storefront stalking, right? You're going to see some products and you're going to start wondering, wait, I've been seeing this product over and over again. I've seen it on multiple storefronts. I'm never able to find this product profitably. Where can I actually find this product? Like, and it's going to stick. It's going to stick somewhere. And so the next time that you are actually going to see this product. So, and what is going to happen pretty much is you're going to do manual sourcing one day, and you're going to find this product on sale that you've never found on sale before. And you're going to realize, oh, that is where I'm able to find this product. So this is going to be a free lead. So you're going to be able to go super fast through products on sale, find those types of leads, and it's going to speed up your workflow for a ton of other sourcing methods, right? And once again, I said it, and to be the devil's advocate, I think that yes, it is a bad faith argument to push storefront stalking and saying that using software like tactical arbitrage and all that stuff is not good. The only thing that you need is storefront stalking. Because no, and I've been pushing tactical arbitrage myself, even when they did not have. And I believe that Three Calls is a bad company. It's a trash ass company. I'm saying it, but tactical arbitrage is a good product. Three Calls is trash. Three Calls is 100% trash. I'm saying it. It's a trash ass company. And if you watch my previous videos, you'll see what I'm saying this. You'll see what I'm saying this because they're not a company that I personally like. Based on some stuff, and it does not take a lot for me, but you'll see on previous videos, you'll see it's nothing major, but like it really takes a little to make people realize that you're not trustworthy, So yeah, that's all I really wanted to talk about in today's video. Hopefully this video was helpful. It's really the case for storefront stalking. It can be resumed in just the rhetorical question that I asked. So yeah, I'm free. I'm open to discussion regarding storefront stalking. However, yeah, I personally I believe that it has a place. It's not mediocre by any means. Have I done a lot of storefront stalking lately? Myself? No. Even my team? No. Not at all. Most of our leads come from, yeah, if you actually take arbitrage stalker into account, yes, we've done it, but like not as much as other sourcing methods, if we are being honest right now, So yeah, so hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, leave a like, do all that YouTube stuff, and I'll see you tomorrow for a new video. Thank you for watching.